How to add stickers to WhatsApp. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can add stickers to WhatsApp. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch and open up the WhatsApp application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in. So from your chat page, you have to open up the chat where you want to add these stickers to. For example, I have this chat right here. So on the text box at the bottom of this interface, there you will see the sticker icon at the bottom left corner. Tap on it. After that, they will have an option as create. Simply tap on create option. Now you have to select the image that you want to add a sticker in WhatsApp. For example, I have this sticker right here. Now once the sticker is fully loaded, you will have two different designs of your sticker. If you want to go with this full image, you can do that as well, or if you want to go with this one, you can also do that as well. So according to your preferences, you can choose one from here. If you want to edit your sticker, you have to tap on the edit icon at the top right, and now from here you can add doodles to your sticker. You can also add text and add other stickers as well. And once you're done, simply tap on the send icon at the bottom right corner, and then your custom sticker will be sent and added to WhatsApp. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.